в 6 утра. Фотография твоя, горят воспоминания о тебе. У камина в 6 утра, разбитая душа, и все твои обещания пустота. В камине в 6 утра, фотография твоя, горят воспоминания о тебе. У камина в 6 утра, разбитая душа, и все твои обещания пустота. В камине в 6 утра. Твой маяк подарил мне боль, устал я жить, все обиды тая. Уходи, за собой закрой. Сколько бы я не просил, но ты же знала, что меня теряла. Я босиком по стеклам бегал так упрямо. Если бы не твой милый голосок, я бы упал, сделав последний вздох. И звезды между баты, ты как будто для меня. Я каждый раз загадывал тебя не потерять, но больше не могу, я просто мучаю себя. Теперь ты пожалел меня. В камине в 6 утра, фотография твоя, горят воспоминания о тебе. У камина в 6 утра, разбитая душа, и все твои обещания пустота.
Having to be easy, ignoring and hiding about what might actually say. Stay away while I'm drowning on my thoughts. Sometimes the happiness is just a happiness. I've never been enjoying my serenity, even if I've got a lot of company that makes me happy. So try to figure it out from where I've been escaping, running to another sin, get away from the pressure, wondering to get a love that is so pure. Gotta have to always make sure that I'm not just somebody's special. I always pretending to always make sure I'm not just somebody's pleasure.
You know me the best, you know my worst, see me hurt but you don't judge. That right there is the scariest feeling. Opening and closing up again, I've been hurt so I don't trust. Now here we are staring at the ceiling.
I've said those words before, but it was a lie, and you deserve to hear them 1,000 times.
If all it is to say that, why is it so hard to say? If all it is to say that, why am I in my own way?
Why do I pull you close and then ask you for space?
If all it is to say that is, why is it so hard to say? Isn't it amazing how almost every line on our hands align? When your hands are mine, it's like I'm holding again. Isn't that a sign? I should speak my mind.
I've said those words before, but it was a lie, and you deserve to hear them 1,000 times.
If all it is to say that, why is it so hard to say? If all it is to say that, why am I in my own way?
Why do I pull you close and then ask you for space?
If all it is to say that is, why is it so hard to say?
When I close my eyes, it's you there in my mind. When I close my eyes,
Why is it so hard to say? If all it is to say that is, why am I in my own way?
why do I pull you close and then ask you for space?
If all it is to say that is, why is it so hard to say? If all it is to say that is,
When I close my eyes, it's you there in my mind. When I close my eyes,
if all it is to say that is,
when I close my eyes, it's you there in my mind. When I close my eyes,
if all it is to say that is.
You know I want you. It's not a secret I try to hide. You know you want me, so don't keep saying our hands are tied. You claim it's not in the cards, and fate is pulling you miles away and out of reach from me. But you're here in my heart, so who can stop me if I decide that you're my destiny? What if we rewrite the stars? Say you were made to be mine. Nothing could keep us apart. You'd be the one I was meant to find. It's up to you, and it's up to me. No one can say what we get to be. So why don't we rewrite the stars? Maybe the world could be ours tonight.
you think it's easy? You think I don't wanna run to you, yeah. But there are mountains, and there are doors that we can walk through. I know you're wondering why, because you're able to be just you and me within these walls. But when we go outside, you're gonna wake up and see that it was hopeless after all. No one can rewrite the stars. How can you say you'll be mine? Everything keeps us apart, and I'm not the one you were meant to find. It's not up to you, it's not up to me. When everyone we rewrite the stars, say that the world can be ours tonight.
All I want is to fly with you. All I want is to fall with you. So just give me all of you.
It feels
It's not impossible. Say that it's possible. How do we rewrite the stars? Say you were made to be mine, and nothing can keep us apart. 'Cause you are the one I was meant to find. It's up to you, it's up to me. No one can say what we get to be. Why don't we rewrite the stars, changing the world to be ours?
You know I want you. It's not a secret I try to hide, but I can't have you. We're bound to break and my hands are tied.
5th of November, when I walked you home, that's when I nearly said it, but then said forget it and froze. Do you remember? You probably don't, 'cause the sparks in the sky took a hold of your eyes while we spoke. Yesterday, drank way too much and stayed up too late. Started to write what I wanna say. Deleted the message, but I still remember it said, I wish I was who you drunk texted at midnight. Wish I was the reason you stay up till 3 and you can't fall asleep, waiting for me to reply. I wish I was more than just someone you walk by. Wish I wasn't scared to be honest and open, instead of just hoping you feel what I'm feeling inside. April the 7th, and nothing has changed. It's hard to get by when you're still on my mind every day. Sometimes I question if you feel the same. Do we make stupid jokes trying to hide that we're both too afraid to say, I wish I was who you drunk texted at midnight. Wish I was the reason you stay up till 3 and you can't fall asleep, waiting for me to reply. I wish I was more than just someone you walk by. Wish I wasn't scared to be honest and open, instead of just hoping you feel what I'm feeling inside. Oh, and here we go again, destroying myself to keep a friend. Hide it away, 'cause I was afraid to say no. I wonder if I cross your mind half as much as you do mine. If I tell you the truth, what will I lose? I don't know. I wish I sent you that drunk text at midnight. I was just scared it would ruin our friendship, but I really meant it. I wonder how you would reply.
Yes, I look happy, happy all the time, but you don't see me when I cry. I can find an open door when I try, it breaks me more. Should I quit and should I go? Should I leave this all behind? Same things happen all the time, can't get out of my mind. Doing things I shouldn't do, if you ask me, I have no clue. Yes, I look happy, happy all the time, but you don't see me when I cry. 'Cause I'm a master of pretending, lately never ending. When does this all make any sense to me? God, I know you can set me free. Please open a door and again restore chest that was made for more. And there is purpose behind closed doors. A better treasure chest that was made for more. And there is purpose behind closed doors. Am I the one who is insane for not feeling like the same? All I want is to be heard in a world that's full of hurt. Waking up searching for a sign. Yes, I fall but I still climb. Now you're telling me to teach just cause the dream is hard to reach. Take this fear and take that doubt. Throw them away before I drown. Before I drown. Yes, I look happy, happy all the time. But you don't see me when I cry. Cause I'm a master of pretending. Lately never ending. When does this all make any sense to me? God, I know you can set me free. And please open a door and again restore this broken piece of me. A better treasure chest that was made for more. And there is purpose behind closed doors. A better treasure chest that was made for more. And there is purpose behind closed doors. When does this all make any sense to me? God, I know you can set me free. And please open the door and again restore this broken piece of me.
but your smile still lights my way. Even when the world feels cold, you're the hand I love to hold. You're always with me, near or far. Doesn't matter where you are. In my heart you found a place. I see you in every space, every moment, night or day. You're the one who never fades. You're high. One of these, when of this night.
Ku teringat senyummu yang hangat. Langkahku jadi ringan saat kau di dekatku. Dekat denganmu, hatiku tenang, tak perlu yang mewah. Cukup kamu, dekat denganmu, hari-hariku berbunga. Kau yang buat dunia terasa indah. Langit biru, kita berdua, cerita sederhana, tertawa tanpa alasan, tapi itu bahagia. Dekat denganmu, hatiku tenang, tak perlu yang mewah. Cukup kamu, dekat denganmu, hari-hariku berbunga. Kau yang buat dunia terasa indah. Jangan pergi, tetap di sini, karena kamu segalanya untukku. Dekat denganmu, hatiku tenang, tak perlu yang mewah. Cukup kamu, dekat denganmu, hari-hariku berbunga. Kau yang buat dunia terasa indah. Langit pagi menyapa pelan, mentari hangatkan harapan. Di setiap jejak yang ku tinggalkan, ada mimpi yang ku perjuangkan. Tak selalu mudah jalannya, tapi ku tak ingin menyerah. Satu langkah lagi menuju cahaya, meski ragu kadang menyapa. Hatiku
terbang lebih tinggi. Pagi datang, aku sendiri, tak ada tawa, tak ada nyanyi. Hari-hari terasa sepi sejak kamu pergi.